Good morning, YouTubers, Gunners, subscribers. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I hope you guys like the seat review. We put them inside the car. We mounted them on. I kept the covers on there for now because I didn't obviously want anything to get messed up. We got a lot of parts to deal with, so this is going to be somewhat of a fun vlog, and sit back and enjoy it. So we might end up finishing up the motor today. We might do a lot of things today. You know what I mean? I hope you guys are excited. I hope you're having fun throughout this build. I hope you're learning, most importantly, throughout this build. Yeah. Like the video real quick before getting into it. I appreciate you guys. Let's start gunning. All right, so we got to move to okay, project driver. We got to move over to the Bronx to go see my boy Steve. We got to go swap out the outers on the long axle and the short one because the one that I picked up from Cunha is kind of beat up. So I'm just gonna go swap that over. I'll take you guys with me to the Bronx, just so we're not bored in the shop all day. So let's go. 3253 White Plains Road, up front axle. Go see the legend. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. There he is, Big Steve.
What's up, dude?
Living legend.
Living live.
What's up, my man?
What's
Give me
up?
some love. My man.
What's up, dude?
This guy takes care of all my axles here. He also does drive shafts. He services joints, all that. This guy is the truth, man. Right here. How long you been here, Steve? How many years? 30 years. Kicking butt in this station right here. This is the best man if you're in the area to get your stuff serviced. All right, boys, let me tell you what we did here. We came over here so Steve can change the outers, but he says that he can fix this. I want to see how bad you are, Steve.
You want to see how bad I am?
I want to see how bad you are. No, like bad. There it is.
Bad. I got you bad. Right, hold on one second.
This is gonna. I've never seen this. This is gonna be fun.
Well, look at my prehistoric wrench.
Prehistoric.
So it is a prehistoric wrench.
Let's see if you can fix that. I think you got it. It's a bad man, ladies and gentlemen. That's a bad man. Nah, I said he's a bad man. What are you talking about, man?
I do this shit all day long, dude. You know how many Toyotas we get like this? The new Toyotas are so bad. I wish I just showed you one I have on there.
Let me see.
Watch.
Nah, you ain't do that. You ain't do it like that. You ain't do it like that. Not like that.
It looks bad, but it's really good.
My man.
It looks hard, but it's really somebody who does this every day of my life. It looks really bad, but there are threads there because we are grabbing. Let's go. Look at that.
Why you doing like that? Living legend. Big Steve-O. Ain't even charges. Nailed it. Boys, girls, there is no way I'm leaving White Plains Road without getting some Jamaican food. This is probably by far the most authentic street for Jamaican food. This is authentic, the whole thing. Yadman Tings. Yadman Tings. Badman Tings. I don't know if Gold Star is doing breakfast. I'm gonna go peep. But if not, I got another spot. Can't wait. Nah, Gold Star, you ain't turned into a bar, restaurant, seafood. Nah, I'm out of here. Nah, y'all got bougie. Kingston Tropical Bakery, man. They make their own beef patties here. They make their own cocoa bread here. Everything is fresh. All of it is fresh. Ready for it. My brothers right here, they make everything in-house, man. Fresh patties, fresh cocoa bread. Come check them out. What's the address here?
4,000 White Plains Road.
4,000 White Plains Road. Usually the line is out the door. I'll be here when the line is out the door. But remember who put you on, though. Don't forget. Hold on there, camera. Yeah. Look at this cocoa bread, my brothers. Look how soft that is. Open that up like yonder. Look how soft that is, man. Like baby cheeks, man. Fresh patty, put it in here. It's good old Jamaican bun, cocoa bread and beef patty. Come on. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Seriously, all y'all out there, stop playing with me. I can listen to me. I could do food vlogs. Game over. It'll be January all over again. So we finally got both axles in now. Everything is perfectly fine. We used 2 long ones. I'm gonna end up taking this back out and then washing and cleaning it like I did with this one. Remember guys, these axles are almost 32, 33, 35 years old. So a little bit younger than that, but they're holding up good. Everything is spinning freely. Everything is nice, man. Everything is coming together. Beautiful. Nice kit, man. Nice kit. A few modifications to the spindle, but definitely a nice kit, man. So remember, guys, you need 2 long axles, man. 2 long Wago axles. That's what I used. But this is basically done. Clean that flange up a little bit. And we're getting there. We're gonna also paint inside here black, get some undercoating, because that really doesn't look too good. So, okay guys, so quick update. So I ended up putting the brake valves in here for the bleeders, and then you block off the bottom. So always remember, when you're doing calipers, the bleeders go on top, not the bottom. Hold on, why am I not focused here? Why am I not focused? Okay. So bleeders are on top, and then you got your block off on the bottom. I use thread tape on everything. So we fully tightened all of this. This is super sturdy. It's not going anywhere on both ends. So that's completely finished. Now, we don't want to kill our time because we're still waiting for UPS to get here with the oil pump kit. So we're gonna move on to installing the Hasport motor mounts. Now, I want to tell you guys that I was wrong about that back bracket. It's already infused with that piece that you need for the block and the transmission. I was wrong about that. The new version of Hasport all-wheel drive mounts, it comes with this piece already. So I apologize that I said I was waiting for that bracket. I made a mistake. So we'll start to put this kit together now. We'll install that. We're trying to do as much as we can. How good does those seats look? Whoa. So we're putting on our back motor mount now. And we are just threading this in by hand. And I'll tell you one thing about these motor mounts that Hasport makes. You never have fitment problems. So I'm going to tighten these guys up as much as I can. And that's basically it right there. So that motor mount is on. I'll tighten that up. Now I'll get my bolts ready for this bracket, and back to waiting for UPS, Maddie. So our motor mounts are installed. You know, if I would have used the gun, I would have had a bigger gap here. So I'm fine with that right there. I'm perfectly fine with that much of a gap. That's fine. So this guy's all tightened up. This guy really doesn't need to get tightened up. That actually goes on the transmission, but we just left it here because we wanted to mark where we left the tape. So that's fine there. And that's it. So still waiting for that oil pump. Should be here any moment. And we can get rock and rolling. Finally, it is here. our 4-piston oil pump kit. And he also said he sent extra goodies, so I wonder what Luke has in store for me. This is by far one of the best companies in racing. One of the best companies in racing. And I don't say that because they help me out a lot. They also help out my followers a lot. And that's what means a lot to me. When I can reference someone and they come through, it's a beautiful thing. Beautiful. Alright, snuck in some shirts. I know he said he sent one for Vicky. So 4-piston, these shirts are awesome. Can't wait to wear it. Large for me. 3X for Vicky. Nice. What else? Large, Trappy, you can have the camo one. Alright, so we got our windage tray. Nice. K20. What else is in here? Flywheel boats. Sweet. Just in time. These are the ARP flywheel boats. In collaboration with 4-piston. They make them with a special material. These things are great. I have them on my race car. And they're easy to torque. They're awesome. Okay, what else do we have here? I'm so happy and excited that these parts are here. I don't even know where the razor is. So, there should be like miscellaneous things, hopefully. Here we go. Okay. So we can do our own valve train here with our seats. This is their kit that they offer. To swap out, you know, basically do your own valve train. I had no idea he was going to send this. Thank you, Luke, you're the man. This guy here. Timing and everything like that. The green. What is this? Oh, the gauges for it. Oh, so basically to degree your own motor. Nice. I have to learn how to do this. I don't know how to degree a motor. So I have to wait. Maybe I can take a trip over there and maybe Matt Monday can help me learn. And this is our oil pump. So you buy this full kit and it comes with everything that you need. So you get your oil pump guide, you get your oil pump chain, you get all brand new bolts, and you get the oil pump. How sweet is that? So this is a ported 4-piston Type S oil pump. How many times am I going to lose this razor on camera? How many times? Thank you so much, Luke. Thank you so much to all you guys over there at 4-piston. Josh, Monday, Ryan, all you guys are great. So what they do is they port this out. Now I've seen a lot of people try to do it on their own and cause a lot of failures. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you pay them for. Let them take on the responsibility. Let them do it. They poured it in a specific manner. They already comes cut. We don't have to cut it. This is going to take us about 30 minutes to install and put on timing. So I'm excited. I've ran out of things to do. So I'm going to start right now. I'm going to start kicking ass. I always show you how to put K-Series on timing. I always show you how to do the oil pump. Just remember, please, when you are doing an oil pump conversion, whether it's a TSX, Honda Accord, whatever block, when you switch over from removing that big oil pump that has the balancer shafts inside, remember to plug this port. You always have to plug this port with a 12mm bolt. And that is it. You line this guy up. We drive these 10s into there. And then I'll be right back to show you how to install this oil pump. Alright, so installing this oil pump is very simple. This is probably the third video where I'm doing it. So we're basically just going to go onto here first. This is where I always used to make the mistake. There's no like marks or anything for the oil pump chain. There is definitely marks for you know, obviously the timing chain. But this is fine just like that. This all lines up nice and pretty. It's all cut out exactly for you to have it fit perfectly. And they give you the bolts provided. So once that's pressed down there, we push this back, make sure it's locked in into the crankshaft, and we're finished. So longer 12 obviously goes here. shorter 10 goes here, and then the mid-size 12 goes right here. So they provide you with every single thing that you need for this oil pump kit. Again, take your time, look back at these videos, see what parts you need before, prep yourself, study the video. This is your money. This is your build. No one cares but you. So, good luck to all of you. I'm excited that these parts are here right now, because that means I'm possibly going to close up this motor today. I want to put on some music. I just want to rock out, and I want to have a good time. And I don't want the vlog to be too long. So with that being said, please like, comment, share the channel. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers. We're going to give away the TSM manifold for free. So keep gunning, man. I love you guys.